GH for STEM Juneos Challenge. Here we have VALERIE AFRIYIE, a junior scientist from the ARCHBISHOP ANDOH RC Basic School, which is located in Tema, a city in the Greater Accra region of Ghana. VALERIE intends to show us the separation of solid particles from liquid using the evaporation and filtration method. For this interesting experiment, VALERIE will use a measuring cylinder, a pair of tongs, a beaker filled with water, a beaker filled with sand, a box of matches, an evaporating dish and a stand, a stirrer and a scraper, some filter paper, and cotton. Now let's see how VALERIE demonstrates this intriguing experiment. Evaporation is the heating of liquid, for example water, to change it into steam or vapor. It is used to separate solid melted in a liquid, whereas filtration is used to separate solids that do not melt in liquid using a filter.
You need to form a mixture by adding salt, the water and the sand, and stir to make a uniform solution.
A mixture is a physical combination of two or more substances.
Leave it for the sand to settle at the bottom of the beaker.
This process is called sedimentation.
Pour the water above the sand into another beaker,
A process known as decantation.
I'll then fix the filter paper into the funnel and place it into the measuring cylinder. I'll pour the decanted water into the funnel. It will be observed that clean salty water will drip down from the tip of the funnel into the measuring cylinder.
Pour gently into the filter paper. The water that will be collected in the beaker is what we call the filtrate.
Turn on the burner and place the evaporating dish on it. I'll have to pour an amount of the filtrate into the evaporating dish.
Be careful around the fire. Leave it to boil until all the water evaporates.
Now that the salt is obtained, I'll need to scrape.
This experiment shows that several methods including decantation, filtration, and evaporation are needed to separate a mixture of sand, salt, and water.
My name is John Safu, and I'm the science instructor of ARCHBISHOP ANDOH RC Basic School. And the applications of this particular experiment, when you go to the water companies, where we manufacture water, there is also filtration of bacteria contaminants by this same process. And last but not the least, when you go to our various homes, we have what we call water filters, and I also do the same process by filtration.
Other daily life applications of these separation methods include the filtration of water in our homes to make it safe for drinking. Also, salt is harvested from the sea through the process of evaporation. Did you know our kidneys remove waste from the blood into our urine through the process of filtration? And our sweat disappears from our skin through evaporation? It's time for Juneos Practical STEM Quiz. Which of the following methods is the best way of separating a mixture of tiny stones and beans? A. Adding water to the mixture, allowing it to settle, then pour the beans, leaving behind the stones. B. Picking the stones out with your hands. C. Pouring the mixture into a sieve for separation. Now that was a great demonstration. How about you? Can you try this experiment at home by yourself or with your friends from school? Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.